Hey guys, it's me, Blocky Block, and today I'm gonna be doing reacting to I'm Not Flat. Earth-chan. She's Earth-chan. This is cute art. I love it. I can't look. I can't stop. Oh, don't look at it. Don't look at it. Oh, don't stop texting me, Alanis. Don't. No. Oh. Nope. You're not see this. I'm keeping my friend's privacy. Okay, so yeah, I just check out her, and she's not Alanis anymore. She's Annie the watermelon. Okay, so let's get started. It gets 10 minutes recording. I'm Not Flat. It's a cute drawing. I can't. Wait, what the heck? What the heck just happened? I was looking at Earth-chan. Earth-chan to Flat Earth Society. What? Oh. Flat Earth Society. 23K people like this. Non-governmental organization, NGO. Oh. I'm Not Flat. Let's go to the next one. That doesn't know what's the next meme. No, I don't. Pictures of planet Earth. Okay, so it's just loud and oh my god, see here. I can't see anything. It's just blank. It's just blank. Oh, there it is. Oh, so cute! So adorable! Oh my god, it's so adorable! It's so adorable! Oh, that's Second Life. I'm sorry if I put it. You're so adorable. Dude, you're so adorable. Why are you so adorable? Why are you so adorable? Okay, next meme. Let me check if Annie just texted me. Oh! I accidentally dropped my phone. Okay. She likes... Oh, look at that guy. Paleontology. Oh, dinosaurs. I love you. This much... What? Anna? Dinosaurs are so cool. Take that. Dinosaurs are for nerds. No. Take that. Dinosaurs are for nerds. No. Aww. Poor Earth-chan. Earth-chan and Booksy. What? Earth-chan and Booksy. Oh! Oh my god, that's perfect time. You placed Earth-chan's head in the right place. Oh my god. It looks so real, like Earth-chan is hugging Booksy. Oh, is kind of funny, but yeah, it's cool. It's good. I love it. Okay. Sorry, my mom. Sorry. Okay, let's go greener. Nuh-uh. Urchin was like, nuh-uh. Urchin, and here Urchin is like, mm-hmm, yeah. Powered by your waist. Genesaw. Why she doesn't like this? This is kind of cool. But this is no! Don't chat me, Annie. People are watching this. I'm protecting your privacy, Moonman X Urchin. Oh, I guess if I saw this picture, I will ship Moon. Oh. I ship them too. They're so perfect together. Oh my god, I'm blushing. It's like underage. Why is his face like that? What happened to his face? Okay, next meme. The tweets that started it all. What? I can't see. Someone should make an anime where the planets in the solar system are cute. Okay, oh my god, set it in university. Oh, what the heck? I am. What is this? What kind of comment is this? I'm a sweet genius. Someone hire me. Calling it now. Blizzard-chan, best girl. I have soft spot for Outcast. Oh, okay. Wow, that's so funny. Why are you doing this with those and recycling noises? I still love you. I love you too. Don't cry. I'm gonna cry too. Okay, next. And what else do we have here? This is okay. Wait, what? It doesn't go to the next thing. Okay. The Great Flood. Hi, I'm Merchant, and this is Ice Bucket Challenge. Wait, I can't see it. What? I could scroll down. Oh, wait. This is Ice Bucket Challenge. Here it goes. Oh my god. Wow. I love this. I get it. Oh my god. This is so funny. But I can't laugh because I could cuss. To be continued. I can't laugh properly because of my cough. Why? Protect Urchin. Bye!